Guys, I just got my new Ohuhu markers. It's a 40 dual tip color marker, C and F, chisel and fine tip. So, let's open it up. I can't read the black text, so let's remove this. Warning: plastic bag can be dangerous, so let's keep it away. At the back of the bag, there are writings. I don't know if you guys can see it. Product art markers. Warning: pro art and drawing markers. Be sure to keep them out of children's reach to avoid suffocation caused by swallowing caps. Okay, there's a tag here, and the bag. And then the markers are here. Ta-da! A plastic sheet. Oh, this is nice if you are coloring on thin paper. Please put this pad between your coloring sheets to prevent any bleed-through. Yes, I'll use this. Gets old backing paper, so this one here is gonna retire. And then we have here a card. We'll test them all here. So, there is another paper, an instruction manual perhaps. So, C and F is chisel and fine. I don't have the brush tip. But colors should be same for all regardless of tip, right? So, what is Ohuhu? What is Ohuhu doing? On the right is the colors this set of 40 plus 1 color less blender have. And on the other side is all the colors currently available in the Ohuhu series. Then, a blending tutorial, their suggestions of what color to use and FAQs. Okay, next is the same thing but in different language. This is just the foam, so that the top of the bag doesn't bulge. So, we have here a clear plastic. Such a nice touch that Ohuhu has this. I'll call this as my coloring shield. And manual and swatch card. We'll use it later. Of course, the bag and the markers. It said we have 40 plus 1, so we have 41 markers. Let's count. So, we have 41 markers. Now, we have to check if all the colors listed here match with the markers. So, we have to arrange them. Now that it's arranged by the number in the list, let's swatch. Okay, so first, let me show you what it looks like. Our Ohuhu marker has an oval-shaped barrel. Same with the cap, with silver logo and tip indicators. Broad, fine. At a glance, you can easily see that the fine tip has the gray line. For easier distinction, and it is nice that the caps are stackable. Let's start swathing. First is Y397 Canaria Yellow. Y495 Lemon Yellow. Y691 Melon Yellow. YR792 Orange. R295 Dark Blush. R457 Wine Red. R865 Geranium. RV210 Pastel Pink. RV390 Rose Pink. RV610 Vivid Pink. RV968 Vivid Purple. V284 Pastel Violet. V369 lavender. V651 deep violet. B281 pale blue violet. B289 pastel blue. B290 sky blue. B463 Persian blue. B883 cerulean blue. B956 sapphire. G191 turquoise blue. G284 pale green. G289 yellow green. G471 mint green. G472 vivid green. G482 ice blue. G55 for bronze green. G850 forest green. E280 brown gray. E494 pastel peach. E679 terracotta. E769 brick brown. BG042 cool gray. BG082 Cool Gray. WG150 Warm Gray. WG170 Warm Gray. MG170 Blue Gray. FY010 Fluorescent Yellow. FY020 Fluorescent Orange. $120 Black. And the colorless blender. So, there you have it, our Ohuhu 40 markers, plus one colorless blender swatch. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video.
If you liked this video, please click the like button, and I'd really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. To keep you updated, ring the notification bell.